Hello beautiful people, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave me some comments in the comment section below.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you loving. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe.
So I'm so sorry guys, I actually lost some clips from the tutorial. My memory card got corrupted and then I lost some clips, but if you want me to record another detailed tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below and I will surely do that. Thank you.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you miss